लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी.
A large number of poor women from the state of Jammu and Kashmir are sensing something unique they had never felt before: empowerment, leadership, and surge in confidence. The program that brought about this transformation is a project under National Rural Livelihoods Mission. At the heart of Ummeed is a strong belief that even the poorest of people have innate capacities and a strong desire to transform their lives. The project shares the belief that to eradicate poverty, the poor need to be organized as a cohesive unit. Ummeed mobilizes poor women to get organized through self-help groups or SHGs. The project believes that SHGs and their emerging organizations at the village and cluster level shall remain engaged with the poor families until they come out of poverty. These institutions of the poor have the mandate to monitor, guide, and build capacities of its members and support them to come out of poverty. This requires sustained capacity building and hand-holding support for the families through self-help groups. Ummeed aims to achieve this by facilitating the formation of higher-level organizations of the SHGs at the village and cluster level. These institutions have to make sure that they continuously support and stay engaged with poor households till they come out of poverty. To achieve this, the federations of SHGs under Ummeed have an internal sensitive support structure, a structure that is created by them, nurtured by them, and accountable to them, the community cadre. The community cadre evolves with the project during its implementation. There are different types of community cadre like mobilizer, trainer, cluster coordinator, auditor, etc. The entire cadre emerges from the pool of women activists in the village over a period of time. Women activists are identified from the community at the time of social mobilization in the village. These women themselves have become members of SHGs. They conduct the meetings of their SHGs by duly adhering to Panchasutras. Their groups are model groups, and these women also show willingness to mobilize other poor families into SHGs. These are usually women with the ability to understand, practice, and articulate.
हमारे मोहल्ले में सभी को समझाया, आप भी जुड़े रहो, ऐसा नहीं बोलो कि हमने नहीं करना ये काम, पैसा लेके भाग जाएंगे, ऐसा काम कुछ भी नहीं है। उसके भी सभी को समझाया, बोला कि ऐसे बैठक करनी है, ऐसे इकट्ठे होकर बैठना है, उधर सारा काम ऐसे ऐसे करना है, तो सभी को बताया।
In a village, normally 6 to 10 women activists are identified. After being trained on SHG and its concepts, these women become catalysts of social mobilization. They assist other women in conducting their SHG meetings and facilitate their adherence to Panchasutras. The emphasis is on regular and proper bookkeeping.
अच्छी किताबा लिखना ना से ये फायदा कि जला ऐसा ठीक ठीक लिखा होगा, वो बैंक वाले होंगे जले दिख रहे कि इन्हें सही लिखा है, सही आगे चली सकते हैं और भी ऐसे दे सकते हैं लोन.
Village organization positions one community mobilizer in each village to support and monitor its member SHGs. The community mobilizer is selected by the village organization under the pool of women activists in that village. Sarada Devi is one such community mobilizer. She is liked a lot by everyone in her village because she is humble and hardworking. Her job as a mobilizer is to monitor and guide all SHG units in her village.
ये वोचर होता है, इसके ऊपर आपको लिखना है किस काम के लिए ले रहे हैं, किस डेट में लिया और कितनी किस्तों में से वापस करते हैं.
For that, she has to attend all the meetings.
जो आपका आरएफ का पैसा आया है, ये उसके ऊपर लिखा जाता है और उसकी पूरी डिटेल इसमें दी जाती है.
An SHG has access to about 1,25,000 rupees in the first year in the form of internal savings, revolving fund, community investment fund, and bank credit. To utilize these funds productively and be prompt in repayment, SHG members need continuous training.
लोगे, उधार देने के बाद जो आप पैसा वापस करोगे, ये सब कुछ इसके ऊपर भी लिखा जाएगा।
Being a community mobilizer is just the first step. The best among the community mobilizers have the opportunity to get selected as community trainer by the cluster level federation. The village organization pays a resource fee to the community mobilizer out of its own fund. In effect, the community mobilizer is the first level cadre that gets paid by the community for the services offered to the community. The village organization and cluster level federations formed in Ummeed generate their own resources to pay the community cadre. Normally, these federations earn revenue by means of interest on revolving fund and community investment fund and through resource fee from its members. The community cadre is identified, positioned, reviewed and paid by these SHG federations.
मैंने इसमें मेहनत की है और करूँगी, तो मैं यही लक्ष्य है मेरा कि मैं इससे आगे और बढ़ूं और एक कम्युनिटी ट्रेनर बनूं।
The village organization's mandate is to ensure that member SHGs are active and display collective strength. Village organization has to regularly monitor SHGs and build their capacities. Village organizations grade and audit member SHGs once in every quarter to ensure that its member SHGs remain credit-worthy. Access to capital is a critical requirement to enhance livelihood. The village organization facilitates the member SHGs to attract credit by providing catalytic capital in the form of revolving fund and community investment fund. By proper utilization and repayment of these funds, SHGs demonstrate their creditworthiness that attracts credit linkage from banks. Village organizations identify and overcome social and economic obstacles that keep the poor households in poverty. Village organizations facilitate its members through collective action. To ensure collective and participatory action, village organizations form subcommittees of its members to focus on issues like health, education, etc. These committees create awareness and promote positive action to overcome obstacles. The cluster-level federation selects and positions one community trainer for every 3 village organizations in a cluster. The community trainers are selected from the cadre of community mobilizers after their performance is evaluated as community mobilizer. These community trainers support the village organizations in handling the SHGs in the village. Hamida from the Kashmir Valley is a community trainer. Despite her humble background, she continued her education. Hamida had always been an outgoing and socially active person. She worked as a community mobilizer. After reviewing her performance, the cluster-level federation positioned Hamida as a community trainer. She works for 3 village organizations.
क्या ग्रुप लीडर फर्स्ट लीडर सेकंड लीडर मगर यह मीटिंग तम दुह मीटिंग लीडर बनान सुई।
हम पहले ग्रेडिंग करते हैं ग्रुप की, फिर हम उसी के आधार पे एमसीपी बनाते हैं और वीओ में मतलब बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स भी चेक करते हैं।
मैं आज आपको ये बताऊंगी ग्रुप के 5 बुनियादी असूल।
She attends each meeting of all 3 of them. Community trainers undergo intensive training before assuming their responsibility. Ummeed facilitates an augmentation of capacity of the community cadre by organizing exposure visits. It imparts specific training through the resource organization. As an external sensitive support agency, Ummeed, the mission, strengthens the community cadre.
हम आंध्र प्रदेश ट्रेनिंग के लिए गए, 1 महीना 3 दिन में वहाँ रही, तो वहाँ से जितना हमें मतलब सीखने को मिला हमने वो अपनी बहनों तक पहुँचाया, अपने बुक कीपर्स तक, अपने एसएचजीज तक पहुँचाया कि हमने वहाँ क्या सीखा।
अगर ऐसे ट्रेनर आसान तिमन ट्रेनिंग दिन आसान तिम दिवान ट्रेनिंग हफ्ते पत हफ्ते या रेतस मज 8 लट आसक दिन या रेतस मज 7 लट आसक दिन यस ऐसे आई ट्रेनर सह सो छ प्रथ का इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवान ग्रुपस मंजन येल ते कहाँ ते इन्फॉर्मेशन आए सच दिवान ऐसे ग्रुपन मंज सा
जब हम आपके पास आते हैं, ग्रुप में बैठते हैं,
Hamida, if she continues to perform well, might soon get selected as the cluster coordinator by her cluster level federation.
खुद नहीं बनाते, आप ही डिसाइड करते हैं।
If my officer goes there and does this kind of handholding, the impact will be rather less. Whereas if a woman of their locality does the handholding, the impact will be far, far better.
The continuous support available through its own cadre has immensely helped the village organization and cluster level federations to keep track of the emerging needs of its members. This is a significant achievement since the institutions of the poor effectively manage and support its members with its own resources. Ummeed has successfully organized more than 25,000 women into 2,550 ACGs and 200 village organizations in the initial blocks of Lad, Khan Sahib, Chanani and Basholi. At a budget outlay of 755 crore rupees, the ambitious special project has to cover 2/3 of the state's rural households involving 9 lakh women in the next 5 years. To reach all of 4,098 Gram Panchayats in all the 143 blocks of Jammu and Kashmir, many of them in rural interiors, is not an easy task. The ACGs and its federations have risen up to the task and have identified internal community resource persons or ICRPs to induce social mobilization in new blocks across the state. ICRPs are those women whose lives have been transformed through Ummeed. They have imbibed the concept of Ummeed and the role of institutions of poor in bringing change in the lives of poor. ICRPs induce social mobilization by sharing how Ummeed has brought about change in their lives with women in new blocks.
सर्वे करा आयस तुमस गारस मंजन वुनकस ये छ आख स्कीम उम्मीद स्कीम
Nilofer is the leader of an ICRP or a group of internal community resource persons. They are experienced ACG members from the state. Their task is to take the benefits of ACG formation to new locations. They build confidence by making home visits and holding Gram Sabha meetings. The mission avails the services of these ICRPs through their cluster level federations and pay resource fee to the ICRPs through these cluster level federations.
पत छ सारे माज बिन सान समान अते वनान छ अस अमिस उम्मीद स्कीम हुन मकसद कम खत कम गरीब कुछ छ।
ये पूरी कंट्री में एक नया तजुर्बा है कि एक कम्युनिटी से ही कार्डर क्रिएट करना, बाहर से कोई नहीं लाना, और कम्युनिटी के वो मेंबर्स जो इस सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप तहरीक के साथ जुड़ गए हों, उन्हीं में से खा उनके अपने बच्चे हों या खा वो खुद हों, उन्हीं में से चूज़ करके एक कार्डर क्रिएट करके जो इस स्कीम को ब्लॉक सतह पर चला ले, तो ये एक नया तजुर्बा है। अभी तक तो ये हमारा तजुर्बा बहुत ही कामयाब हुआ है।
कम्युनिटी मोबिलाइज़र से मुझे ये एक्सपीरियंस मिला कि पहले तो मैं किसी अपने घर से बाहर भी नहीं निकल सकती थी। आज मैं हर एक घर में जाके उनको भी बोल सकती हूँ, खुद भी समझ सकती हूँ, हर एक को समझा सकती हूँ। कम्युनिटी मोबिलाइज़र बन के ही मुझे ये हिम्मत आई।
आज हमें सब लोग इज्जत से देख रहे हैं और हमें इज्जत मिल रही है।
In Ummeed, only those who practice guide others on how to perform. The women of Jammu and Kashmir have shown absolute ability in handling their responsibility, changing lives for themselves and others. With spirited participation of the community cadre at all levels, Ummeed has ceased to become a project. It is now a force for transformation.